I hope all the students are comfortably able to join the webinar. So, as Dr. Darshika Rawat has joined us, and we are just waiting for a few more students to join. As we all know that there are some technical issues going on. Good morning, Dr. Darshika Rawat.
Good morning, everyone.
Uh,
Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining this webinar session. My name is Lily Bisht and I am from Scholars Academy, teaching as a teacher here, the topmost leading school in Kordwar, Uttarakhand. Today we are presenting career counseling for our students, especially those students who have passed their 12th exams and they wants to have a career in the career guidance and career counseling. And today we are having a guest of honor, Dr. Darshika Rawat ma'am. I would like to give you a small introduction of her. That ma'am has done her schooling from Delhi and done her MBBS from SGRR IMHS Hospital.
Yeah, now I'm able.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so
okay,
much.
can everyone hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. If I'm audible, I would like to start this session. Am I audible?
Yes, just to um, over to you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible to everyone?
Uh,
Okay, a very warm good morning to everyone and welcome to our webinar session. My name is Lily Bisht and I'm from Scholars Academy, Kordwara.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is not coming?
काय कर दूँ मुझे चाबी दे
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible to everyone else?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And so much joining us in today's webinar session. My name is Philip and I'm teaching Scholars Academy, the topmost leading school of Uttarakhand. Today we are presenting for if you have already started this
Before seeing princess, and ignoring Gachika of ma'am. Before proceeding, I would like to give you an introduction of Day and her MBBS SDRR IMHS. Right now, she
Ma'am, you are
Hello everyone.
sorry. Connections are weak, ma'am.
Hello, I think we are having a lot of network issues today.
Exactly, sir.
I can't, I'm not audible to everyone, I think, and neither Ms. Lily Wish.
No?
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
you are audible. Yes, ma'am.
So without wasting much of our time,
Yes, sir. We will start.
let's get to Dr. Darshika Rao and let her share some glimpses of her achievements in this field. Over to you, Dr. Darshika.
Thank you, Rinki Ekta ma'am. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, a little bit voice is cracking.
Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Darshika, we can go on.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am, you
So,
are
ma'am has already given my introduction. I am a doctor by profession and I am working in the field of eye surgery. So, I am practicing as a surgeon since past 2 years. I completed my post-graduation early in 2019 and since then I am practicing here in Jolly Grant. I hope you all know about the hospital. And I was asked to tell about my career. So I joined this field because as a child I wanted to serve humanity, serve people. So I had many options which all to look for. I thought about becoming a civil service aspirant earlier. Then I took science field in my 11th class when I developed interest in biology. So I considered giving a pre-medical test a chance. And when I cleared it after preparing for a year or so after my 12th class, I joined MBBS and I liked the field. How I decided to become a doctor was I knew that I am a hard worker and I was happy studying for long hours. I wanted to study, learn more things. So, and I had two options as a science student, either give engineering entrance or a medical entrance. Engineering, I wasn't much interested because for engineering, you need to have an IQ of inventing something, some new things. And while for becoming a medico, you need to work hard. You need to give many years of studying and serving. So I wanted to become the other way around. I wanted to become a doctor, in which I knew I have to study for long years and give a lot of my time. But I was happy to do it. And I have studied in this field for 10 years and still I have a long route to go. I want to pursue 2 years more of fellowship in eye surgeries only. So all those students who are listening to me, if you have interest in medical field, then you should keep in mind that you will have to give ample of time, so many years of your life to studying, and you need to be hardworking. And if you want to earn money earlier in life, then choose some other option. You can ask me personal questions, individual choices, then I can guide better.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We will go ahead and take some more questions from our staff and student also.
Okay.
We could have a question from our staff and students.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question. Before deciding any career, what questions should a child ask to himself or herself?
Okay. First of all, everyone needs to assess himself or herself. What are your interests? Be honest to yourself. Everybody knows किस चीज में मुझे कौन से सब्जेक्ट में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. So नहीं पता है. For example, I good marks in mathematics compared to that in biology, but still I prefer to opt biology in my 11th and 12th class because I was more interested in biology. So, interest assess करूँगी कौन सा you like. Go into maths field like stats में आप statistician बन सकते हो, engineering में आप जा सकते हो. If you like physics more, then obviously physics honors and in engineering is your field. If you like biology, then consider MBBS or biotechnology, zoology, all these fields. And if you want to get into administration, अगर आपकी commanding skills हैं, आपको administrative skills command करना अच्छा लगता है, then you can apply for UP and PCS civil service.
Thank you. We will have one more question.
So then you in these curricular concepts.
Okay. Any next question from any staff member and student?
See students, this is an open webinar for all of you. Best opportunity to ask a person who is really in this field, working along. So you can ask, this is a wonderful time for you. So keep asking questions so that you can get more and more knowledge on a practical ground. Okay, Dr. Dashika, my students, I have a question. Like you just said, person should become an engineer who invents something or who have an idea of invention in his mind. So don't you feel at that present time, this scenario going through COVID-19, medical in also we are inventing something, everyone. You are there to invent something, you are doctors have a responsibility to invent. So is there a mind needed of invention?
It is needed, but not everybody knows that a person can do one thing at a time. In our field also, people who go into research, they are not practicing, they are a set of some other people, other professionals. So they are doctors, but they are giving more of their time not in treating patients, but inventing medicines and then studying the effect of these medicines into patients. So I'm not getting that time that I do research. I am more into practicing because I like practicing. I like interacting with patients. Those doctors who are into research, they are doing research.
Okay, so Dr. Rishika, like you are in a practice field and you have patients. You have gone through yes and then ethics in a certain field. But then like you are in a research department. So if some of our students want to go in that field, what is way or what is the path towards that way? How should they go?
So I'll tell in short all the prospects after doing an MBBS. Once you get to medical education, you become MBBS practitioner. Then you have two options, like you can keep on practicing as a physician. You treat all sorts of patients, but you are not a specialist of any particular field. You treat general patients, cold cough and hepatitis and all sorts. You can continue practicing as a general, and you only have a degree of MBBS. In this field, you can practice your clinic. You can work in a branded hospital like Max, Medanta. You can work into government setups like government medical colleges or government hospitals, district hospitals, or you can join army. You are given a rank of lieutenant in army or assistant commandant in CRPF and paramilitary forces. Study this to have post-graduate entrance examination, and based on the rank field of your choice, if you want become a clinician, then you have options of becoming physician, surgeon, gynecologist, eye specialist, ENT specialist, and if you want to go into research, then you have options like non-medical post-graduation courses.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Just like I have come to know that you have experience in the field of army also. You have practiced there also. So can you share some of this experience with our students?
Yeah, in the field of army, there's benefit of going that you are very good man, you are an officer, you wear a good uniform, and you serve your nation. So I was given assistant commandant in CRPF, and I got a chance to wear the uniform, the khaki vardi, which I am very proud of, and वहाँ पे perks are very much. As an officer, there are so many people under you, and they salute you. You get a chance to go in parades and parade yourself, and you get to people of 300, 500 battalion who are, you get, and you get government quarters, government vehicles and all. These are the perks. But I did not, because practicing were not, because only 300 or 400 people are there who are under you, and you have to take care of them. And the facilities of studies are not much well developed, because many people are there in the territory. So not very good machines they have in their campuses. So I did not get a chance to operate much there and see more patients, and I wanted to operate to serve more people. So I post-graduation surgery so that I can serve more people. So this is a personal choice. If you want to continue working in army, you become a commandant or a brigadier, and even to promote. You're not just a doctor, you are a officer also.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Any other questions from our teaching students?
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Good morning. My question is that what are the best job search strategies for students? As there is a pandemic also, no? So can you tell me about best job search strategies for the students? Okay. Be it or even if the pandemic is not there, the basic is that you should follow interest, because a profession is what goes on with you whole your life. You have to practice it like otherwise on a, if you are not interested in any subject or any profession, do not join it. Idea jobs लो या इंजीनियर दो, because good prospects are there. बट ये ट्रेंड चेंज होता रहता है. बेसिक हमेशा सेम रहता है कि आपको अगर किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप उसमें एक्सेल ही करोगे, एंड अगर आपको किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आप अंडर प्रेशर उसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, तो आप कितना भी मेहनत कर लो, यू विल नॉट गेट दैट हैप्पीनेस, आप कितना भी अच्छे हो उसमें. तो और पेंडेमिक से रिलेटेड ये ट्रेंड चेंज होता रहता है. बीच में देयर वाज मोर ऑफ अ ट्रेंड ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, तो बहुत सारे इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स केम अप, बट इन द एंड ओनली दोज इंजीनियर्स हु आर एक्सीलेंट इन देयर जॉब्स, दे ओनली हैव अ सिक्योर जॉब. अदर्स आर either changing their streams or they are not happy with their jobs, they are not getting paid much. And then medical field is evergreen. यहाँ पे लोग हमेशा बीमार होंगे, पैंडेमिक्स आएंगी या नहीं आएंगी, फिर भी you will have illnesses. तो अगर आपको मेहनत करके हमेशा 24/7 लोगों की सेवा करने के लिए मन है, तो you can join medical fields. अभी नर्सिंग का बहुत बूम है. मेडिकल फील्ड में भी many people don't know there are many courses. Nursing, OT technicians and biotechnology people, pathologists, radiologists, ऐसे apart from MBBS ऐसे courses भी हैं which people are happy in. Nursing का out of India बहुत demand है and they are paid good. बाहर कनाडा एंड स्विट्जरलैंड, जर्मनी में नर्सिंग वालों को दे आर पेड इवन बेटर देन इंडियन डॉक्टर्स. तो और वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम भी नहीं है. यू आर वेरी मच रिस्पेक्टेड देयर एज अ नर्स एंड इट इज अ गुड जॉब. तो इफ समबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड ही और शी कैन जॉइन इट. हमारी फील्ड में ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट होते हैं जो कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस एंड स्पेक्टिकल्स वगैरह बनाने में, डिस्कवर करने में इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं. एंड बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज जैसे अमेरिकन कंपनीज जो लेंस मेकिंग में है, दे हायर देम इन वेरी गुड सैलरीज. तो ये वाले ऑप्शंस होते हैं. ये वाले ऑप्शंस एवरग्रीन है, इनका कभी रिसेशन नहीं आता है. एंड देन टीचिंग जॉब, एज यू हैव सीन योर टीचर्स, इट इज अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल जॉब. बाकी गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, PCS एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जॉब्स, ये वाले जॉब्स सिक्योर्ड होते हैं. अगर यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इनटू गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, office jobs, then you can join it. Otherwise I would suggest कि follow your interest. Art and craft में interest है तो be the bestest painter. अगर dancing में है, music में है, तो you will excel in it. You will excel in every field. Follow your interest.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for enlightening us, ma'am. Thank you for enlightening us in this topic. We would have other question also, if anyone wants to ask. Yes, we could have one more question. Okay, ma'am. I would like to ask you one question about this. That while choosing a career or pursuing a career, what was the child career barriers are there?
Barriers can be divided into many subheadings, like someone has barrier of guidance. People don't know where to get the correct guidance. They are not guided properly. And financial barrier can be there. Barrier to resources can be there. So basic is guidance in what I have observed in Indian families is we do not get good guidance. Even I as a child was not guided properly. I had interest in civil services also, but I did not know how to prepare for it, what subjects I should take. So I only followed a trend. Everybody was taking science, so I also took science subject. But I'm happy now. So guidance should be there. In our time, the internet facilities were not that much. Nowadays, you people have access to Google, so you should also keep on reading the all about the courses and all what courses you have. Keep on searching what institute provides what courses, how you should give exams for it, and what all exams are there in the coming months or weeks, how to prepare for it. Everything is available over the internet. You can take help of your teachers and first decide what you want to be, and like if you want to be a doctor, then go and talk to a doctor, how he prepared, what are the pros, what are the cons. So there are 2-3 options you can go for guidance. One is internet, books, then your teachers, then the professional from that field only, your parents. You can take help of all of them. And financial barrier, I don't think it plays much a role, because nowadays government is providing so many facilities, so many loans and all. The good institutes also help you get scholarships. So if you have to decide what you want to do, and then financial barriers can be overcome. And resources, like in Uttarakhand, in Kodwar, you may not have too many colleges. So in that case, you will have to shift to a metro city, to a good city for time being. And then if you want to come back to your city, you can come back after pursuing all your courses. So that's it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And one more question, ma'am. According to your opinion, it's a silly question, I know that. When we are going to have a medicine for COVID-19, according to your opinion, ma'am?
People are really working hard on it, and definitely there are 2-3 medicines which have come up and which have already been invented, but they are under study, because medicines also have side effects. So we have 2-3 medicines which have proved good for this coronavirus, but people are checking their side effects and their harmful effects. Once it is done, then they can be launched, and we should be positive that it will come soon.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, one more question, especially for those students who have passed the 12th exam. Like we could see that we are just sitting at home and doing work from home. Especially for those children who have passed the 12th standard and having a good result, good percentile in their hand. But they are confused about the pursuing a career there, and how to convert this negativeness around us into a positiveness. Could you enlighten us on this topic, ma'am?
First of all, enjoy the time, because once you become a professional, once you start doing jobs, you will not get this free time, this good time with your family again. So enjoy this time, and you can utilize this time, because पढ़ने के लिए हमेशा कम टाइम होता है. तो अभी यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रैवल, अभी आपको स्कूल जाने का टाइम बच रहा है और मार्केट मूवीज जाने का टाइम बच रहा है. तो यू कैन यूज दिस टाइम टू परस्यू योर स्टडीज. आप एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ सकते हो उस टाइम पे, आप अपना हॉबी फॉलो कर सकते हो. पेंटिंग का टाइम जब आप स्कूल जाते थे तब नहीं मिलता था, अभी आप यू कैन पेंट, यू कैन लिसन टू सॉन्ग्स, you can start singing online, सब कुछ available है. And you can spend time with your friends and family. But social distancing and all you should follow, otherwise enjoy this time. And definitely कोई भी चीज बहुत देर तक नहीं रुकती है, तो times will change, it will get better. We are developing immunity, medicines are being developed, so it will end soon. Be prepared for the time कि जब ये end हो जाएगा तो आप you should have a better skill, you should have better knowledge, otherwise ये वाला time waste हो रहा है.
Sure, ma'am, of course, ma'am. And one more question, ma'am. Any home remedies for COVID-19, ma'am, related to?
Yeah, there are many home remedies. इससे मुझे याद आया कि apart from MBBS you can follow Ayurveda and homeopathy also. Those doctors are doing very well. So Indian science में Ayurveda and homeopathy are giving very good results in many diseases, including corona. So home remedies like ginger, turmeric, they are all good for health. You can drink teas, green teas which have ginger, lemon, honey in it. You should drink milk with turmeric. It also helps boost immunity. And you should eat healthy food, all sorts of fruits, vitamin C supplements. If you are unable to get access to fruits, then you should take supplements in the form of tablets and capsules. Here we advise our patients to eat vitamin C, vitamin B complex medicines, but it also has side effects if taken in overdose. So consult a doctor, and according to your age, height, weight, you can take vitamin supplements also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. We would like to have some more questions from our staff members and students also.
I think our students are getting a lot of informations. So students, it's a request that it's a good time for all of you to ask questions and clear your doubts regarding your career in any field. So feel free, so that Dr. Darshika may be busy. She has given us just a few little more time to us. So just not to waste her time, because she is saving life. So let's ask few more questions quickly, students, so that we can get information as soon as possible.
Yes, students, if you want to ask any question. As ma'am has Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Adya.
Ma'am,
Gaurav has asked question and
Yeah, sure.
ma'am, many families are, ma'am, like very old cultural. So, ma'am, many families don't want that their children should take arts or commerce and push them to the science. So, ma'am, that's good or not?
That's not good on part of the family, and but it happens with everyone. Not their fault, but उनके टाइम पे art and humanity wasn't considered good. It's okay. You should understand the fact that they are a little old people and old generation, so they won't understand what our generation is going through. So try to make them understand, talk to them, communicate. Without communication, बिल्कुल help नहीं मिलती है. More and more communication should be there. If your parents have some opinion and you have some other opinion, then first you talk to them at home, and then you can take help of your teachers. And as I said कि दो उस field में already हैं, आप उनसे बात कराइए. And by doing this, you can sort out the problem. You just have to make them understand that जो मैं follow कर रहा हूँ, मैं arts लेना चाहता हूँ, तो I am confident in it, and मैं उस field में अच्छा करूँगा. Once they understand this, they'll be happy, and they'll not stop you from joining it.
Student of class 12. She's asking, please explain biotechnology in brief.
Okay. Biotechnology, you can join by choosing a graduation course in it. There are several institutes in Delhi University. In Uttarakhand, Pantnagar University provides biotechnology. And based on that, you can continue studying biotechnology. You can do BSc, then MSc, then PhD, and become a doctor in that field. or you can do biotechnology. There are two types of courses in biotechnology. One is BSc MSc course and the other is BTech course. So Delhi provides and institutes like IP University is providing BTech in biotechnology also. So it's your choice if you want to become an engineer in biotechnology and then pursue MTech and MBA in it. You can join BTech biotechnology. Otherwise, if you want to do research, you can go on in joining BSc, MSc, and then PhD.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we could have.
For it.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. We could have more questions from our students if you would like to ask to ma'am. As ma'am is having very little much time, she is a frontline warrior for us. Yes, students. From teaching staff, anyone would like to ask any questions?
So, I think, Lily ma'am, no more queries are there?
Yes, almost over. I have completed all these topics related to this.
Okay, so before leaving the session, Dr. Darshika, last thing I want to just ask or just guide all our students and our staffs that in a short that what are the precautions, like we are hearing that maybe most probably soon people, CBSE is planning to open the school and they are planning maybe in a few months, maybe next month or day after next month. So what are the precautions that should be taken while the child has to come to the school? As you know that they are aloof, they are in an isolation since 3 months. So when they will be coming to the school, it will be a happiest moment for all of them. So beside that, what precautions should they take during this pandemic if school opens, from your point of view?
Okay. So I would advise that bring these precautions into your habit and make it a habit only, because this is extend a bit longer and it's not like it will end in a day surprisingly. So develop habits. You all have to masks. So some people have difficulty in wearing masks also, but I would suggest that make it a habit that now onwards you'll have to get out with a mask. Masks are important if you are ill and not going to a crowded place. Then a mask is made up of simple cloth and it's not a medical or surgical mask. Then also you are safe. You just have to wear a mask. If you are going to a crowded place or an area which has suspected patients, then it's necessary that you, or if you are going to hospital, and it's necessary then that you wear a 2 or 3 layered mask. Only if you are going near suspected places. Ask people around you also that they should cover their nose and sanitizer. Then there is nothing like that. Excess water is good, but not that wash your hands for 10 seconds. And if you are outside, you are traveling, you just have sanitizer, then use sanitizer with alcohol, but that should not happen. This was not happening in India, otherwise all gentlemen, all Britishers, all US people, they follow social distancing. They do not stand close to people. So, keep 1 bring your hand and close to your mouth, your eyes, and even if you have a simple sore throat or cold or fever, अगर आपको कोई भी सिम्टम है, then do not shy. लोग क्या करेंगे? First, give your life for yourself. Go to a doctor or any nurse or their worker and take his own guidance. And if you might come with suggest him or it's better for him or her to check to a doctor. Thus, eat well, eat healthy, and do not feel depressed. Good times will come. Develop a habit, follow a hobby, read more, and utilize your time.
I thank Dr. Darshika, and we have taken a lot of your time, and thank you. And Dr. Darshika, if any of our students, like they are not asking here, if any of our students have any queries, so can we consult you regarding that?
I'll be happy to give them advice.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Darshika. I'm not not taking much of your time. It's now I'll let Lily, Miss Lily ma'am, to sum up the session.
Okay, it looks like we have almost covered all the topics related to this career counseling. Now I'm ending this note. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you all the teaching staff and students. Thank you our principal ma'am, Mrs. Ekta Rawat, for giving us such a platform so that we could meet our children virtually and sort out their problems regarding this. And Dr. Darshika Rawat ma'am, you are a frontline warrior for us, and you have given your 1 hour priceless time that you have given us. Thank you so much. Without your inspiring thoughts, your experience, your words, this session could not be completed. Thank you so much for joining us. And I truly hope that our students have learned much more things from you. And let's see what will be its impact. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you, students, for listening to
some more. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for being a good audience and being patient.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. There is one notification for all the students that we will soon conduct more and webinar session on this, and we will have more and more expertise in different fields. Thank you so much.